Okay, so we have a small wall that's going to go across here. We're going to have some vanities here. So the layout of the wall is already marked out on the floor. Now we're just going to get the measurement. This is going to be a standard wall with no openings. 7 feet and 6 inches in the inside of the bathroom. So we do have 90 inches. Let's go ahead and cut 2 boards. When you get your skill saw, you want to make sure the saw blade actually ends up on this side of the line. Why? Because you end up removing about 1/8 of an inch. What you want to do is actually leave one side hanging, because otherwise it's going to cause some friction on your saw and it's going to kick on you. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my leg here, cut on the side, leave one side hanging. Okay, so I already cut 2 pieces of the 90 inch for the top plate of the wall and the bottom plate. Now we're just double checking. It's 90 inches. There we go. It's nice and flush to each other. We're gonna put a couple of nails so that they don't move around, and we're gonna lay out the wall. This is just a simple wall behind the vanity, so there's no openings or anything like that. The reason I didn't put the nail all the way through is because this is just temporary, so it doesn't move, so we can lay out the wall. All right, so what you want to do is get your tape measure. You can either start from the left side or right side, it doesn't really matter. I'm starting from the right side, 16 inch on center. The reason why I do an arrow is because if I just do one line, if I'm not careful, I can move from here to here and I don't know which side was the correct one, and I already moved 1/8. So that's why I'm doing an arrow in between, so that I know exactly where 16 inch on center is. So I got 16 inch on center. Okay, we got the wall laid out. Now we got our speed square. Pass it to both sides. Okay, our wall behind the vanity is laid out. Now the framers are gonna come around and frame it all up.